Hi guys, good evening guys. Are you audible, all of you? Okay, right. The next one is guys here, the next function category. It was saying that conversion functions. Conversion functions. So basically there are two types of conversion functions very oftenly the people are using in real-time applications, and very oftenly we are using. Okay, the following two conversion functions are there in Oracle. So first one is called as to underscore char function, and the second one is called as a to underscore date function. Okay, now so these are the two conversion functions very oftenly the people are using in their applications. Okay, now let me see what is to char and what is to date function. What is to char and what is to date function? Okay, let you see guys. First we will discuss about the to char function. Basically this function is used for, okay, to convert to convert date date type or date type into into character into character type into character type. Okay, so converting date format data into character format. Okay, so to char you're saying that to char, so that means our target is what now? Converting character type. So that means a date format of information or date format of data. When you want to convert into character type, so there we can use a to underscore char function. Okay, but in this conversion, whatever we are converting data format of type or date format data, whatever we converting into character, and in this character type only we can display. Okay, in this in this character in this character type. Okay, in this character type we can display we can display okay, we can display date expression date expression date expression in different formats. Okay, in different, okay, different formats. So whenever you want to display the date expressions in different formats, okay, there you can use your, okay, there you can use your to underscore char. So that means first what it will do, your date expression first converting into char. After converting into char, then the char type of date expression, then the character type of date expression, do you want to display, do you want to display in different formats? So there we can use a to underscore char. Okay, now so that's why in this char type we can display date expression in different formats. Okay, different formats. So this is the to underscore char function we are going to be using. Now let you see the syntax to get some idea. So to underscore char of, here I want giving date, here I'm giving date, and here I want to send here format. Okay, so to which format your date expression do you want to display, that format you have to give it here. The different formats are there, I will show you one by one. Let you check. First one I will show you guys, year format. Okay, year format. So very simple, just very simple, just intervals are we are going to be following here. Okay, let you see. So here when you want to use here YYY, if you use this format, then it was showing your year information like 2021. For example, your year is 2021, so it was showing 4 digits of year it was showing. Suppose are you given here YY means it was showing only last 2 digits of year. So in the last two digits, which digits are there? Those digits only displaying here, the last two digits. Okay, now for example, if I was given like this year, then it was showing what now in a spelling level, like a 20, 20, 21, 20, 21. Okay, it was showing like this. That means completely text format will be showing us. Okay, next after that we are using some AD or BC. So AD means what now? After death. Okay, and BC means what now? Before Christ. Okay, so AD is representing after death year of after death of Christ, and before Christ. Okay, year here. So AC and okay, AD and BC. So these are actually different formats here. Okay, now. Okay, right. Now let you see. One example I will show you with all formats. Let you see. Let you take. Suppose I was given one example here. Select to underscore care of some sys. Okay, sys date I was given. And we all of you know sys date means the current date information about your system. Okay, now. So now suppose simply if I'm passing in this y if I'm passing for example. So whenever you want to pass this one, what it was happening here in your current date expression. So sys date means what now? Current date information about the system. In this current data, what we are going to be returning, what you are going to be returning means, so year part returning. Which part? Year part. Now I was given 4 Y's I given. So that means what is your year part? 2021. 2021 it was given. Understand my point now? Suppose here 4 digits of a format, only year part it was taken. Suppose are you given here, for example, if I'm giving y, if I'm giving like this, then what it was happen guys here, only last 2 digits of year. The last 2 digits of year it will be returning. But whatever it was returning here, these are what now? Not a number. These are what? A character conversion. So your date expression, this is a date, your date expression converting into string format. String means what? A character format, converting and displaying here. Okay, now, so like this, let you see, suppose I'm passing all at a time. So see, y space, space, yer. Okay, at a time, all I'm showing that. Okay, now next one is what now? BC or AD. Suppose I'm sending. So once I have to send this, okay, I just close from dual. Let you see, all are displaying. So y means the 4 digits of year. Y means last 2 digits of year. YER means character 2021. And BCAC I was given, it was showing AD because after death of Krish. That's why it was showing AD. Actually, anyone can give it so AD or BD. So AD only showing because of reason after death of Chris. Yes or no? So this is what. So all formats. So different formats of years we are going to be displaying here in one simple example. If you want to write individually, you can write individually like this. If you want to write individually, you can write individually like this. Otherwise, you can use at a time all formats in one statement. You will be display like this. Okay, now. So these are different ways we are representing or we are displaying year format. Okay, now let in the same pattern. So year format, how it was happening, guys. Here, the next one is called as a month format. Okay, the next one is what now? Month format. In month format also different ways we have it here. In month format, how it was taken here, suppose are you sending mm. When you send it was written month number. Okay, if you want to use MON, then it was written first three characters of a month spelling. Okay, month spelling. Suppose are you using month, okay, then it returns the full name of month. Okay, so these are different formats here. I want to see the example of this. Okay, I will show you, but time saving purpose, I'm writing only one query format. Within this query, all I'm showing here. Okay, if you want to go for individual, you can write individual practicing. Okay, now so now I'm all showing here. So what I'm showing here, space MON space MONTH. Okay, and close your character string and dual. Now we can see it. So actually, as per my system date is 2nd, that means this is February 11. So means what I said, month number 2nd. MON means what I said, first 3 characters of month spelling returns. MON means what now, entire spelling of month. Okay, now so this is in month formats. We can go to checkout like this. Okay, now same to same. Next we will be go for day format. Okay, day formats. So these formats all of you remember, and very simple, 1 or 2 times you practicing, you can easily remember it now. Okay, day formats. So in day formats, carefully observe, if you are given DDD, what it was written, guys, here, day in the year. So in a year, today, that means today means what now, 11th February 2021, actually my system date. So today means what, 11. So this 11th day, that means 11th of February, is which day in the year? Which day in the year? Year means yearly how many days? 365 days. So 365 days, in 365 days, today, which day? That means which position of day? Today, 30th day, or 41st day, or 50th day, or 124th day. So what it is, it was telling. Okay, now that is what we called as. Okay, and the next one is DD. If I'm using DD, what happened? It was showing day in the month. So year is different. In year, what is your day? Which position of day? And DD means month. In month, your day is which number? Okay. Later it will do taking a single day. It was saying here, day in the week. Day in the week. Okay. But here always remember, guys, how the day started means your day started with a Sunday. So week started with Sunday. So Sunday is equals to 1. Monday is equals to 2nd day in the week. Tuesday is equals to 3rd day in the week. Wednesday is equals to 4th day in the week. Thursday is equals to 5th day in the week. Friday is equals to 6th day in the week. And Saturday is equals to 7th day in the week. Okay, now? So this is what we are going to be counting of the days. Counting of the days. Okay, now? Right. Let you see. Now just come back. So sys date, now I'm giving DDD space DD space D. The 3 formats I'm using in single query because of reason. Individual also same. There is no differences here. But time saving purpose, I will take one query in all the formats. Okay, right. Let you see now. Carefully observe. So what I said, guys, here DD means what I said here, the day in the year. So yearly 365 days out of 365 days, February 11th, 2021 is which day? 42nd day. That means 42. So out of 365 or whatever, 365 or 66 leap year also there, na? Like 365 days. Today, which day means 42nd 42nd day in the year. Okay, na? Like a DD. DD means what I said, the day in the month. So in February month, today is which day? 11th day. In February month, today, which day? 11th day. Okay, now. And D means what I said here, day in the week. So in the week today, which day? 5th day. Why it is 5th day? Means today is what now, guys? Thursday. 5th day in the week. 5th day in the week. Okay, now all of you getting my point now? So this is, so day in the week, day in the month, and day in the year. So that is was different date formats we can go to showing us. Okay, now, right? Suppose in this case, you need to display, suppose DAY is there. So DAY, what it was showing here, it is a full name of the day. Next we have here DY is also there. DY, what it was saying here, first three characters in day spelling, they spell. Okay, now, so now suppose if you want to use, like all you can use otherwise, so DAY space DY I was given. Now you just go to, now today as per system date, today Thursday is entire spelling and THU first three characters of day. Okay, now, so this is different day formats are we taken here. Okay, now next one is what we called as here. Next one what we called as here, week format. Week format. So week format, how it was means, WW is representing week of the year. In year, this is which week. That means monthly, sometimes some months are having 4 weeks, some months are having 5 weeks. Yes or no? Like this. Okay, yearly, how many weeks? Yearly. In that, how many weeks in a year? In that, today your day is which week? Is it a first week? Is it a 10th week? Is it a 20th week? Is it a 35th week? So which week in the year? That was telling. Later W, it was telling here week of month. Okay, na? Week of month. So these are the two formats we have. For example, let you see WW and W I was given from dual. So now this is the 11th February 2021. This is the 6th week in the year. In 2021 year, this is which week is running? 6th week is running. And in the month, which week is running? In February month, in the which week running? 2nd week is running in February month. Okay, na? Understand? So this is what we called as, guys. Okay, na? Right. Next one is what now? Next one is called as a quarter format. Quarter format. So in quarter format, okay, how the quarter will be decided here, different formats here. Suppose are you given here, Q means quarter, and it is telling us what now? It was telling here one digit quarter of the year. So here, if you returns one when it was written means when your quarter is Jan to Okay, Jan to March is called as a first quarter in the year. To written, if it is written to means it is April to June. This is the second quarter in the year. Next, it was written 3 means, okay, 3 means July to September is a third quarter in the year. Next, 4 means October to, okay, December. So that means yearly how many quarters? 4 quarters are there. So 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. First quarter, when it written one digit is written, then it is you can think it is a first quarter. If it is written 2, then it is a second quarter. Second quarter means what now? April to June. So like this, it is quarters are telling that. And now see, when I'm using this, okay, now I was given Q from dual. Now we can see I was given sys date. Sys date means my system data 11th February 2021. Now tell me guys here, 11th February 2021 is comes under first quarter or second quarter or third quarter or fourth quarter? Come on. Yes, it was comes under first quarter. Let you see it returns first or not. Yes, it are returning first quarter. It are returning first quarter. Okay, now this is what we called as a quarter format. In the same to same, when you come back to the time, next formats are time formats. Time formats also there. So what is time formats here? So HH is returns what now? Our format, our part in the format of 12 hours. In the format of 12 hours. H24 is returns again our format, again our part in the format of 24 hours. Okay, now my point understand now. Next, MI. MI is nothing but what now? Minute. Okay, it's a minute. So that is called a minute part. Next, SS. SS is returns what now? Second part. Seconds. Next, AM or PM. This is, we know that AM time and PM time, whatever it is, the time of AM or PM. Okay, first off or second off. Okay, now, right. And let you come back. Now, I was given here. So the example, careful observe. I'm giving here HH. Okay, so colon MI colon SS. And suppose if I send AM, then I need to pass here from dual. So when I send here, the hour is showing us now. My time is what now? As per my system time is 8 o'clock. So 8 means in 12 hours format, 8 only showing 19 minutes 60. Suppose in the case of this, I'm sending H24. Suppose, let you see what happened. Minutes, seconds, and I'm passing PM from dual. If I'm passing this, let you see here I was given H24. Then what happened? Yes, your hour is showing us 24 hours format. Your hour is showing us 24 hours format. Okay, now. So, and as usual, seconds and minutes are showing us. Okay, this is what our different formats we can display. Next, in the same pattern. Okay, so whatever hour, minutes, seconds, all are completed. So these are what now guys here, different formats we are going to be seeing here. Okay, now, so these are very oftenly the people are using in their applications, these types of formats. Okay, now, so these are what here, and the next second one is called as what is the second one? To_date function. To underscore date function. Okay, this function is used. Observe, this function is used to convert char type to Oracle date format. So Oracle date format. So that means I already said to you, Oracle is having default format already there, and the default format in data types concept I already explained to you. Okay, now so to underscore date, that means here character, that type of information we are converting into Oracle date format type. What is Oracle date format, guys? Here Oracle date format is what now? DD, MON and YY. This is Oracle format. Okay, now so this is a default of Oracle date format. So in such a way it was converting here. Okay, and same to same here also we should use a syntax. We use a syntax to underscore date of now I was given here date expression, not sorry, not date here, character. Character means what now? String expression. And here I want to send here Oracle data format. Okay, right. And let you see select to underscore date of for example, are you given like this? 08 dash, so today what is the date here? Today 11 dash Feb dash, so I'm giving 2021. I was given, see what it was happening. This is generally normal format I'm giving here. Okay, and from dual, and if you want to, suppose you can give like this. Okay, Feb, okay, 2021, suppose are you giving like this from dual, what it was happening, you can see the string is converting into Oracle date format. What is Oracle date format here? 11 dash Feb dash 21. Here I was given slash, here I was given slash 2021, but here showing what now? In Oracle date format 21 Feb 11 and dash I was showing this. Okay, now so now same to same, guys, here. Okay, suppose I want to go for this, whatever the information is there. So 11 dash 0, okay, what is this? Feb dash 21. If I'm doing this is Oracle format. To this Oracle date format, I'm going to adding, okay, for example, I'm adding some 10, okay, days. If I'm adding here, what happened, you can see what is your next, okay, date here. So 21 February 21. So because 11 days, I was adding how many days here? 10 days I'm adding to the Oracle format, and still it was displaying Oracle format only. So that means in any way you can send your data, okay, you can send your string format, any format you can send, but finally it was showing and finally it was returning Oracle format only returning. You can send your string in any format, but it was sending only Oracle format. Okay, now so this is to underscore date expression or function, how it was. Only this function, remember, only just converting Oracle date format. Your string format of data converting into Oracle date format only. That is the purpose of this function. Other than this, we can't do any other things. Okay, now, right. So this is to underscore date. And these are, guys, here, whatever we said, these are all are comes under predefined and basic functions. Okay, now, and these are comes under predefined, and in predefined again it is a one of the single row functions we called, because every function whatever we discussed, that every function returns single value only returns. Okay, now, so these are what the function we called. Next one is what now? Second category of functions are what now? Multiple row, otherwise grouping functions also we called. Multiple row, otherwise grouping functions also called. the second category. So these functions, carefully observe, these functions okay, along with this, these functions are written a single value or else returning multiple values also. Multiple values, either written single or multiple. Okay, now. And these functions, sir, we have here one by one. Okay. So first function is called as a simple here sum function. Sum function, okay, it returns, okay, this function is written total value. Okay, so whenever you want to sum together, okay, so now sum function is what now here. Suppose this function, when you applied on a particular column of values, then it returns total value of those columns values. Okay, now that means sum, it will be do it here. For example, let you come back. Suppose this is your working table EMP. Okay, in this we have your salary column is there. Okay, now in salary column, our different employees and different employee salaries are there. Suppose now I want to find out the total salary of employee if I want to find out. So what we want to use, if you want total salary means, suppose if I'm calling like this, only salary is complete column. You're calling only salary now, all details are coming out. But I don't want it all details, all salaries of employees. I want it what a total salary of employee I want it. At this moment, what we want to use. So we are using what now sum function. You have to apply on particular column cell from EMP. Then total salary of employee. Now we can see before function, I just use column, then all are showing us. After applying this function on column, then these all are summed together and displaying total value. So if anybody asks you, what is the total salary of your employee in a company? So that means the company people are paid how much salary for employees, for my total employees per a month means, for example, 29,025. 29,025. Okay, now this is, suppose you wanted a sum of salary of a particular job people I want to calculate. Particular job. Then you have to use where condition where job is equals to, suppose I was given analyst, I was given. Okay, now. So that means in my table, only analyst people I'm asking. So analyst people here, how many people are there? One person is an analyst and one more person is analyst. First employee and two analyst people, one employee 3,000 and one more analyst person 3,000. So 3,000 plus 3,000, total how much here? 6,000. That 6,000 is displayed. So this is sum, guys. In the same to same, the second function is called as an average function. This function return average. Okay, average value. Okay, now suppose you need to find. Okay, in this only, I just take it. Select AVG of a cell. Okay, from EMP table where analyst I was given. So analyst people 2, average salary I want to get. That means salary total 6,000. Average means what now? Total salary by number of employees. Total salary by number of employees. So 6,000 by 2, how much your average? 3,000 is the average. Okay, now this is average we called. This is average we called. Next one is called as a third function is called as a min function. Min function. Okay, it written in the name only there. It written minimum. Okay. Minimum value. Okay, now suppose in this table, okay, I want to know what is minimum salary from EMP table. Your minimum salary 800. In the same to same, I want to know what is my minimum date. I'm passing here higher date. So what is my minimum date in EMP table? 17 December 1980. Okay, now this is minimum here. So like minimum here, minimum salary we can find out. In the same to same, next one is called as, guys, here, fourth one is called as a max function. Max function. Then max function is returns maximum value. Returns maximum value. So I don't want to give much explanation on this. Okay, so you can easily understand maximum salary you can get. Employee table, maximum salary 5,000. Suppose if I want to know in a particular department, maximum salary, how much here? 2850. In a particular department wise, we can find out maximum salary. Okay, now this is max function, guys. And the next one is called as a one more function in this grouping or else multiple row functions are called a count function. Generally, count function we are going to be using here. Generally, count function we are going to be using here. Okay, so what is this here? To count number of rows. Okay. Or else we can count here to count number of values in a column. So two cases I can use. How many number of rows are there in a table? There you can use.